Hi, I'm Jenny Furlong, and I direct the Office of Career Planning and Professional Development here at the Graduate Center. We help Graduate Center students, Master's and PhD, in understanding career paths and achieving their career goals. We offer workshops and information sessions on the job search process in academe and the for-profit sectors. We host networking events with employers and alumni and help students to identify and apply their transferable skills. We've been running a podcast called Alumni Aloud. It's a great way to start learning about career paths that GC students and alums have taken. Students should log into Handshake, which is our job and internship database, and our online appointment scheduler. If you have any questions, we are very happy to help. We look forward to seeing you in